season po is about to come. So again po, that is the Dragonfly Dance by Kuya Joel, or locally known as Sayaw ng Tutubi. Okay, so that is the Dragonfly Dance po, locally known as Sayaw ng Tutubi. And our next performer po is Jessie, and is going to perform the Monkey Dance, or also known as the Hunting Dance, and or locally known as Sayaw ng Ogoy. So they imitating po the movements of a monkey, because for them, there's no other animals po pretty much just know the monkey in the way of hunting po and foraging. So again, that is Jessie, and this Monkey Dance, or Sayaw ng Ogoy. Monkey Dance po, or also known as the Hunting Dance by Kuya Jess. And last dance po that we are going to perform is one of the most important dance po to our Aitas. So this is the War Dance, or locally known as Sayaw ng Pagbabayani. And since during all times po, when the law is not yet fully established here in the Philippines, and whenever there's misunderstanding po arises between two tribes. So before they proceed to a real battle po, they're going to perform the War Dance to ask guidance from their god called Apo na Malyari, to have a victorious fight. And for the Aitas po, they believe the best performer will be the best fighter po. So they use a real bow and arrow, or locally known as pana and palaso, na ginagamit po to hunt their food inside the forest po and to defend their tribe. So on their own dialect po, they call this as Yao and Bai. So again, that is the War Dance, or the Binabayani. Okay, so that is the end of their strike presentation po. Let's give them a round of applause. And we do hope po that you enjoyed your show. So for my group po, that is the end of our Aitas Trio. Kindly stand.